Hello guys, what's up? First of all, I introduce myself you. I am Bhagwati Prajapati. I am a software engineer, working professional. Today I am start my YouTube channel, and in this channel I teach you about programming languages. First of all, we start the Python programming language for beginners, and in this tutorial we complete the basic concept of the Python programming language, advanced concept of the Python programming language, lead code questions, grand questions exercise, and star triangles questions. So in the end of this tutorial we also complete two projects. Okay, and I will explain you how you prepare your resume, how you update your LinkedIn profiles there, that helps you to find your job. Okay, thank you, nice to meet you.